everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making the centerpiece that could be used for a wedding or even a formal dinner. Most of the supplies you see here are found at the Dollar Tree. There will be a full list of all the supplies that I used in the description, so go ahead and check that out. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys most of the items that I used and where I got them from were the Dollar Tree and a few things I purchased at Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to go ahead and list everything and where to get it in the description box below. So the first thing you're going to do is spray paint both sets of candle holders and let them dry. Okay guys, so I let these dry overnight. I went ahead and spray painted those with the silver, and then I spray painted these also and let them dry. I just did them at nighttime, that's why I let them dry overnight, but they don't take that long. It would only take about an hour or so to really dry so that you can start assembling this. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together for you guys. Now we're going to glue the metal candle holder upside down on the top of the ceramic candlestick. So I'm using some hot glue here as well as the E6000 glue. The only reason I'm using the hot glue is just to speed up the process for the sake of the video. But you really want to use some E6000 glue or something that's going to be a little bit more permanent hold, especially if you're going to be using these at like a wedding and you're going to have to, move them from one place to another, like the event hall or something like that. So you're just going to put some of the E6000 glue all over the top here of the candle holder, the inside rim, and then all along the top rim so that you have a good solid base to work from. So we're going to take this metal candle holder and just glue it upside down because we're going to use the legs of this candle holder to help assemble the votive and put the flowers on the top. And as well, this will light up, which will be really cool and pretty for a wedding type setting. So now that we have that done, we want to cover up this line. So I got these tiny little like hors d'oeuvre spoons at the Dollar Tree. They sell them all the time, you guys. They come apart really easy. You just have to take the spoon, hold it on the stem, and give it one little twist, and it comes right apart. So you're going to use these little tops of the spoons all the way around the candle holder here, which is some hot glue. The hot glue actually works better here just to keep it in place, and because gravity will pull them down with the E6000 glue. So I went ahead and used hot glue here. You could use both for a more permanent fix in just the hot glue to help hold it in place while you're assembling it. So you're going to put these all the way around the top, and don't throw those sticks away to the spoons because we're going to use those next. Now I made 2 of these candle holders and I bought 2 packs of these spoons, and I had a few left over and I made 2 full candlesticks here, or flower centerpieces. So you're gonna need 2 packs to make 2. So now I'm just gonna put some hot glue down the center of the candlesticks, and I'm just going to glue these all the way around just to give it some more dimension, some more sparkle, a little bit of shine. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the tops of the spoons and do the bottom of the candle holder just to make it a little bit more cohesive throughout the design here. And now the candle holder is completely assembled here. So this is quite easy to do. You might have to bend the legs out just a little bit, but you're going to take some E6000 glue and you're going to put it around this little rim right here at the bottom of this candle holder. And then we're just going to slide that tea light votive in place. It pops in, and once it's in, it is in there. I couldn't even get it out before the glue dried. So that way you're going to put your little battery operated light right here in the middle. And the nice thing about this is the votive that we're going to put in on the top also just snaps down right on top of this. So it's easily removable, so you can change the light if you need to, or the battery. So I really do just pop this down into place here, and you'll have to move it around a little bit just to center it better. Then the next thing I do is I take some hot glue and glue the styrofoam ball on top of that votive. Okay, so before I put the flowers on, I'm taking these, and I made them about 10 inches long, and all I did is I fished it through a hairpin, and it's big enough it's not going to fall through. And then I'm going to use that just to shove in here, and I'm going to space it out, and I use 5, and I just do it right around the base. And you want to leave it
small enough so that it, or you know, not too far in because you want it to hang. So that's what's nice about the hairpin is you can let it out a little bit further and let it hang from the ball there, and that will you know, give it the nice hanging and dripping like diamond effect all the way around.
Okay, for this next part here, I removed the top votive so I could arrange the flowers better. You can leave it assembled to put your flowers in. It's really just personal preference.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make almost like a solid row going this way, and then I'm going to make another row, almost making like a plus sign, and then I'm going to fill in the corners. So I always start in the middle first, and I'm going to go ahead and I separated these, so some have the baby's breath and some don't, so I separate them in two piles so I don't have them all clumped together in the same spot. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the very center. And I put that in like as far as I can get it to go without destroying the bulb. So can you guys see that? Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and finish that pattern. And I want to put them close together so it really fills it in. I want a nice big ball of flowers here. So now I'm going to go ahead and use these ones without the baby's breath. And so I just try to kind of separate, you know, the ones with the baby's breath just so that it's not all in one spot. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and finish this pattern this way, and then I'm going to follow the roses going the other direction. Okay, so see how I've kind of made my plus sign? Okay, so now I just have to fill in the sections in between, and then it will be a nice sized flower arrangement.
Once your foam ball is full of flowers, pop the glass votive back in place and it's finished. And here are the two that I made, you guys. I just used some oval trays from Dollar Tree with some white gems to help display these. I hope you guys are able to make these. I mean, it's really cheap and inexpensive to make. Something like this would cost hundreds of dollars from a florist. So I hope this helps you guys if you're trying to plan a wedding or something special on a budget. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.